But let's talk negotiating. Why do people stall out of the business? Investors stall. Fear. Oftentimes they don't get started because of fear. Let's say you're in motion. You start to stall. It's usually because you can't. Yeah, it dances on the screen. Boy, like I said, nothing gets by you, Brandon. Those sharp little eyes. Yeah, the answer's on the screen. They can't get people to say yes. If you can't get somebody to say yes, they stay stuck on no. All the cool things happen after they say yes to you, so we have to work on that. So here's the problem. If you don't know what to say to a motivated seller, what happens to you? Yeah, you stall out, you freeze up.
You lose that.
You lose them.
You lose the control.
You lose the control over it, absolutely. Anyone ever kind of afraid of what to say? Yeah. Who's willing to admit that maybe you're not doing your marketing? Because if you marketed, that would make the phone ring, and if the phone rang, you wouldn't know what to say. Oh yeah, so it winds up being a self-fulfilling prophecy. It's very honest. So some people are going, I know, this is what we're going to fix. All right, so that's one problem with getting negotiation wrong. Another one is if you don't know how to say it. So it's not just what to say, it's how to say it. Because how we communicate things, do you think that makes a difference?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Our tone, our attitude, the confidence level that we're projecting to them, it makes a big difference in what we're doing. And if you don't have techniques to specifically move somebody from saying no to saying yes, they stay stuck on no. So we have to work on specifically moving somebody to say yes. That's when all the groovy things happen. So when we get negotiation right, we learn to say the right things at the right time. We learn to say absolutely everything with confidence, which is the game changer. And it will happen purely from practice. The stuff I'm going to teach you tonight, practice it this week. Watch what happens. It's immediately usable. I promise you that. You'll see that in a few moments. And that's what seals the deal. Some people say, Tom, it's almost like you're playing a game. This whole negotiation thing's like a game. Like I go back and forth with somebody and kind of dance, and it's a little, yes. But by going through that process, that kind of little bit of push and pull and back and forth, that locks the person into you. It's fantastic that way. So you have to do the negotiation dance with people because that's what's going to seal the deal. They get to know you, they get to like you, they get to trust you, they want to do business with you and only you. So it also destroys all the competition at the same time. Well, there's so many different layers to this. That's why it's so fun. It's really, really good that way. So I would argue that negotiation is the most important money-making skill of all time, period.